Hello everyone, welcome back to the YankoTube YouTube channel. And do you ever wonder how we can own a large number of YouTube accounts, a large number of YouTube channels to comment, to interact, and how to make sure those actions and preferences are accurate so that YouTube recommends us accordingly? As you can see on the screen right now, there, the YouTube software is running, watching videos based on keywords. Do you see that? It's working right now. It's watching videos based on the keyword software, using this software keyword. And with the seeking function feature, you can completely warm up these YouTube accounts using the seeking video by keyword function. With this feature, you just need to enter a keyword here. For example, if you work in the field of media marketing, you just need to enter a keyword like marketing. If you want to be more specific, like digital marketing or digital marketing for AI, you just need to enter that keyword and it will find videos related to that keyword and watch them. So when it watches, all of these viewing behaviors will be considered as the behaviors and interests of your YouTube account. And after about 3 to 5 days, YouTube will have already identified the audience profile for your YouTube channel and started recommending content to you. At that point, you can use those YouTube accounts to seek out the videos you've uploaded to YouTube with the goal of, what? The goal is to help you reach a more targeted audience so your videos are recommended by YouTube more effectively. Instead of using YouTube accounts that don't match your target audience, and by regularly using these YouTube channels, you can maintain better viewer retention rates and higher CTR, click-through rates on your videos. This is how the YouTube software will help you achieve that, everyone. Okay, and thank you for watching this video from YankoTube. I hope this video will be useful for you as you use the software you want or as you are looking into software to help you with marketing or to improve your YouTube channel. And if you want advice about this software, please contact YankoTube via Telegram or WhatsApp as shown on your screen.